Hello, dear students of grade 5, and welcome back to our online sessions. This is Muhammad Qasim, your science teacher. I missed you so much, my best students in the school, as I always say. Today, inshallah, we will complete our lesson about the clouds and precipitation. Of course, there are many clouds in the sky. Before we start, can you take a look out of your window and tell me what are the shape of the cloud that you see outside? This is question number 7 at this page, and we will continue after the video.
Five common types of clouds are cirrus, cumulonimbus, altocumulus, stratus, and fog. Different clouds form based on the type of weather present, their heights in the atmosphere, and air temperature. Depending on the temperature, clouds can be made of water droplets or ice crystals. When these particles join together, they make larger particles that fall out of the cloud.
As you see, there is no one shape for the clouds. There are many shapes. And there are many types also, as you heard in the video. Cirrus, cumulonimbus, altocumulus, stratus, and fog. Yes, the fog is a type of the clouds. The cirrus is a high-level clouds that can be formed over than 6 kilometers above the ground. By the way, they are often thin, wispy, and white. The second type that we have is cumulonimbus. These clouds grow vertically. It means from the below surface of the earth to the highest sky. By the way, the rising air is the cause of this shape. When the air rises inside these clouds, it makes this vertical shape. By the way, the air can push these clouds above 12 kilometers over the Earth's surface. And by the way, they can cause thunderstorms. The third type that we have is altocumulus. The base of them is middle-level clouds, by the way. They are mid-level clouds. They are between 2 kilometers and 7 kilometers above the ground. By the way, they look like small puffy balls, small balls of clouds. You see them many times in the year. The fourth type is stratus. They are low-level clouds. They look like sea waves, just normal clouds, very smoothie and very surface clouds from the ground, of course. They can be formed between 2 kilometers above the ground, and they may be less, by the way. So they are low-level clouds, and they can look darker, of course, because a little of sunlight can pass through them. The fifth type is the fog. The fog, of course, is a ground-level clouds. The air near the ground cools, of course, the fog forms, and we have seen it many times in the winter. As more droplets form and get larger, the more droplets form and get larger, the fog appears thicker. You can see it on the glass of your car. And now we have a small question about the types of the cloud that exist in this picture. At the right, you have a scale from 0 kilometer till more than 7 kilometers, and you have to tell us about the type of the cloud that you see. By the way, some landforms can affect the clouds, such as mountains. They push clouds up higher into the atmosphere. Of course, it gets cooler, and then they lose moisture and turns into rains or other types of precipitation. Now, this question 8 asking about using the information that you know to tell the type of the cloud in this picture. Of course, I know that you are able to do it. Observe the shape of the cloud, observe the altitude or how much kilometers away from the Earth's surface to answer correctly. Thanks so much, grade 5. See you soon. Bye.